What if I told you that in 2025, launching $1 million online store doesn't require a big team, huge capital, or years of struggle? Today we're breaking the e-commerce system. For years, success meant grinding for months and burning through cash, hoping not to fail. But now, AI-powered tools let entrepreneurs scale to 7 figures faster than ever. And I'll show you how. I'm not just telling you about it. I'll walk you through the cheat codes the top 1% are using right now. From product research to marketing automation, AI is slashing costs and giving small store owners the power to compete with giants. If you're ready to stop dreaming and start building, pay close attention. Here are the 5 AI tools that will supercharge your store this year. The most important decision in e-commerce? What to sell. It's the foundation upon which your entire business is built. Get it wrong, and you're done. All the marketing, all the fancy websites, none of it matters if you're selling something nobody wants. In the past, you'd spend weeks guessing, buried in spreadsheets, drowning in data, hoping to find a winner. A glimmer of hope in a sea of numbers. Now, AI tools like Sellesta and Jungle Scout AI do the heavy lifting. They're like having a super-powered research assistant at your beck and call. Type in a niche, say eco-friendly pet toys, and the AI scans millions of data points instantly. It's processing power that no human could ever match. It analyzes Amazon sales, Google trends, social buzz, and competitor revenue. Leaving no stone unturned in its quest for the perfect product, the AI tells you demand, competition, and predicts profit margins before you spend $1, giving you a clear picture of potential profitability. It's like having a team of market analysts working for you 24/7, except they never sleep, and they never ask for a raise. Imagine knowing with 90% certainty a product will be a bestseller before you list it. That's the power of AI-driven product research. The AI predicts what's next, not just what's hot now. Staying ahead of the curve is the key to long-term success. It finds market gaps no human could spot, uncovering hidden opportunities that are ripe for the taking. While competitors scroll AliExpress, you've already found 5 high-demand, low-competition products, giving you a massive head start in the race to success. This used to be the biggest barrier for new sellers. Now it's gone. The playing field has been leveled thanks to the power of AI. You can validate products and know your numbers in an afternoon. No more waiting weeks or months to see if your product is a winner. No more gambling, just data-driven decisions. Every move you make is backed by solid data and analysis. The AI even analyzes customer reviews, so you can improve on what's already selling. Fine-tuning your products to meet the exact needs of your customers. Build a brand people love by solving real problems. Creating a loyal customer base that will keep coming back for more. What took months now takes minutes, freeing up your time to focus on other important aspects of your business. Jungle Scout's opportunity score rates products from 1 to 10. Just look for the 9s and 10s. The highest rated products are the ones with the greatest potential for success. No more stress or emotion in decision-making, just clear, objective data to guide your every move. The AI has already run the numbers and done the research. All you have to do is analyze the results and make informed decisions. Start here. Let AI hand you a treasure map of winning products, guiding you towards the most profitable opportunities in the market. This is step 1 to building your $1 million empire, laying the foundation for long-term success and financial freedom. And it's not just about one product. It's a system to find winners again and again, creating a sustainable and scalable business model. The game has changed. Are you ready to play? Let AI find your next bestseller and unlock the door to your e-commerce dreams. You found your winning product. Now you need a store. In the past, building a professional site meant hiring developers or learning to code, huge bottleneck. Now, AI website builders like Durable AI let you create a stunning, unique store in seconds. Just enter your business name and what you sell, click a button, and the AI generates your site. It writes the copy, selects images, creates the layout, even builds contact forms. These aren't basic templates. They're modern, high-converting designs. Don't like something? Tell the AI and it changes instantly. Shopify's AI, Shopify Magic, is built right in. Need a product description? The AI writes it. About Us page? Done. Blog ideas? Generated. It's like having a copywriter, designer, and strategist for free. No coding, no design skills needed, just your idea. Save thousands on web development. Launch a world-class store over a weekend for next to nothing. This levels the playing field. Anyone can launch a site as good as a big brand. The AI handles best practices for user experience and mobile optimization. You can test ideas fast. If one doesn't work, build another in minutes. The new meta: launch, test, iterate, fast. AI automates the hardest part so you can focus on growth. Your $1 million store is no longer a dream. It's minutes away. The technical barrier is gone. All you need is your product and your vision. Let AI handle the rest. Start building. Start. You've poured your heart into crafting the perfect product, built a beautiful online store. Now you need customers to see it, and more importantly, buy it. That means ads. Targeted, engaging, and effective ads. But creating ads that truly work is a tough challenge. It demands great visuals that capture attention, compelling copy that resonates, and endless A/B testing to optimize performance. Most people end up burning their entire marketing budget right here, struggling to find that winning formula. But now, with the rise of powerful AI tools like AdCreative.ai and Pencil, the game has changed. These AI platforms can generate dozens of high-performing ad variations instantly, saving you time and money. Just give it your product page link. The AI intelligently pulls images, carefully reads descriptions, and immediately gets to work crafting compelling ad creatives. It analyzes data from millions of successful ads, learning the subtle nuances of what truly makes people click, engage, and ultimately buy. In a matter of minutes, you get video ads, static image ads, and engaging carousel ads perfectly optimized for every platform you need. The AI even writes compelling headlines, persuasive ad text, and powerful calls to action, all trained on data from billions of dollars in successful sales campaigns. Traditional marketing agencies often charge thousands of dollars for just a handful of creative assets, but AI gives you access to hundreds of high-quality creatives for a tiny fraction of the cost. Each ad generated gets a predicted performance score, giving you valuable insights before you spend a single cent on ad spend. Instead of painstakingly designing just one ad, hoping it resonates, you can now generate 100 different variations and rigorously test them all to see what truly connects with your audience. The AI intelligently helps you quickly identify the top-performing winners, allowing you to cut the underperformers and aggressively scale the winners for maximum ROI. Pencil takes it a step further and can even re-edit your existing video footage, transforming it into entirely new, high-performing variations that capture attention and drive conversions. You no longer need to be a skilled designer, experienced video editor, or a seasoned copywriter. The AI handles it all, streamlining your entire creative process. While your competitors are stuck running the same tired, repetitive ads that fade into the background, you can launch a constant stream of fresh, engaging creatives every single week, keeping your audience hooked. Say goodbye to ad fatigue, and say hello to a continuous cycle of testing and optimization, with always something new and exciting to test. This is the key to unlocking massive growth and scaling your business to $1 million and beyond. AI-powered ad tools significantly de-risk your advertising efforts and give you access to the creative firepower and testing capabilities previously only available to big brands with massive marketing budgets. Now you can effortlessly test different marketing angles, compelling hooks, and irresistible offers at a scale and speed that was simply never possible before in the world of advertising. Just one winning AI-generated ad could be the catalyst that propels you to your first $100,000 in sales. Then you find another winning ad, and then another, creating a snowball effect of success. The frustrating creative bottleneck that once held you back is finally gone, freeing you to focus on scaling your business. Let the power of AI fuel your business growth and unlock unprecedented levels of success. The future of advertising is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. It's time to embrace the future and start running ads that actually work, driving real results for your business. Your AI ads are working wonders, and traffic is flooding in like never before. Potential customers are arriving at your digital doorstep, ready to explore what you have to offer. But now, as visitors browse your site, customers have questions that need answering. They're curious about product details, shipping options, and more. If you don't answer instantly, providing the information they need right away, they leave, taking their potential purchase with them. In the past, you'd be glued to your computer, constantly refreshing your inbox and trying to keep up with the demand. Or hire a support team. Expensive and exhausting, especially for a growing business. The costs can quickly add up, impacting your bottom line. Enter AI chatbots like Tidio and Octane AI, the game changers in customer support and sales automation. Your tireless 24/7 sales assistant, always ready to engage and assist your customers, no matter the time of day. These aren't annoying bots that frustrate customers with irrelevant responses. They're smart, constantly learning your products, services, and customer preferences, engaging visitors in meaningful conversations. The chatbot can answer 80 to 90% of questions instantly, resolving common inquiries without human intervention. Anytime, any day, ensuring your customers always have access to the support they need. It frees you to focus on growth, strategic planning, and innovation, not repetitive support tasks. But it's more than support. It's sales, a powerful tool for driving revenue and increasing conversions. The AI guides customers through the buying process, recommends products based on their browsing history and preferences, and offers personalized discounts and promotions to close the deal, turning hesitant shoppers into paying customers. Octane AI even creates engaging quizzes to help shoppers find the perfect product, matching them with items they're most likely to purchase, boosting conversions significantly. Cart abandonment? A common problem in e-commerce. The chatbot jumps in with a discount, a special offer, or helpful info to save the sale, turning a lost opportunity into a successful transaction. This one tool can boost revenue by 15 to 20% overnight, a game-changing improvement for your business. Setup is easy, no coding required, just drag and drop functionality to customize your chatbot's responses and workflows. The AI learns from every conversation, analyzing data and identifying patterns to improve its performance over time, becoming an even more valuable asset. Customers get instant answers to their questions, feel supported throughout their shopping journey, and trust your brand, knowing they can rely on you for prompt and helpful assistance. Happy customers buy again, becoming loyal advocates for your brand, and tell their friends about their positive experiences. Even at 3 a.m., your chatbot is closing deals while you sleep, generating revenue and expanding your customer base around the clock. In 2025, if you don't have instant support, providing immediate assistance to your customers won't trust your store, viewing it as outdated and unreliable. An AI chatbot is a sign of a modern professional business, demonstrating your commitment to customer satisfaction and innovation. Don't let sales slip away due to unanswered questions or abandoned carts. Let AI handle frontline conversations, providing instant support and guidance, and recover abandoned carts, turning potential losses into successful sales. Maximize every visitor's value, turning them into loyal customers. It's a non-stop sales engine, working tirelessly to grow your business. The future of customer support is AI-powered, and it's here now. Your store never sleeps, always open for business and ready to assist your customers. Start selling 24/7 and watch your business thrive. You've got AI finding products, building your site, creating ads, and talking to customers. Sales are rolling in. But how do you scale to $1 million empire? The answer: data. Not just any data, actionable insights. AI analytics tools like Rose and Microsoft Clarity AI are your secret weapon. Rose connects to your store ad accounts and email list, pulling everything into one dashboard. The AI analyzes your data, spots trends, and gives you clear, actionable insights. Ask it questions in plain English like, "What was my best ad last week?" and get instant answers. Microsoft Clarity AI creates heat maps and session recordings showing exactly how visitors use your site. The AI points out where users get stuck or frustrated so you can fix issues and boost conversions. No more guessing, make changes based on real user behavior. AI analytics can even forecast future revenue, predict hot products, and tell you when to reorder inventory. You're not reacting, you're proactively managing your business. This is your control panel for $1 million operation. Optimize every step of the customer journey. Know exactly how much to spend to acquire a customer. Promote the right products, cut the losers. Small tweaks can mean big sales increases. Without this, you're flying blind. AI analytics gives you the vision to scale from side hustle to empire. The guesswork is gone. Make smarter decisions faster. The future of business is data-driven and AI is your guide. Don't just run your store, master it. Scale with confidence. 5 AI tools can take you from zero to $1 million e-commerce brand quickly, faster than ever. We've covered finding products, building your store, generating ads, automating sales and support, and optimizing with AI analytics. This is the biggest opportunity for entrepreneurs in a decade. You don't need to be a tech genius at all. Just pick a tool, test, and scale. The AI revolution is here. Will you ride the wave or get left behind? The tools are cheaper, faster, and more powerful than ever. The window of opportunity won't stay open forever. The people who act now will dominate the market. The blueprint is right in front of you. AI has obliterated the old obstacles. Now go build your empire.